This fish has a see-through head. Well, technically, it's the top part of its skull that's transparent, allowing us to peer right into its brain. Its eyes are also pretty unique, long and tubular and able to rotate 360 degrees so they can look straight up or right at you. The Barreleye fish has the scientific name Macropina. It gets its common name from its barrel shape, but this fish is known for much more than just its eyes. Its most notable feature is the top part of its skull, which is completely transparent. Because of this, we can see right into the fish's brain. This fish looks like an alien, but it's real, and it's called the Barreleye fish. There is no nest building, no mating rituals, just a broadcast spawning into the water column. Instead of being able to focus on things close to it, it can only see things that are relatively far away. This makes sense considering what it eats. The Barreleye fish feeds on small jellyfish. Siphon off. By looking up, it can spot prey that's floating past in the darkness above. Siphonophores are the main prey for Barreleye fish. These are stinging cells that work together to form one giant organism. Some siphonophores can sting prey before it even gets close. So, to stay safe, Barreleye fish have evolved to swim slowly, almost like a sneak attack. It uses its tiny mouth to snatch prey before it drifts too far away. Sometimes it even steals food from the siphonophores themselves, taking bits of their stinging cells before they have a chance to sting. After fertilization, the tiny Barreleye larvae drift around in the currents as plankton for a time. Before they sink down to the depths to begin their lives on the seafloor, it's also likely that ocean warming will impact this fish negatively, as it will disrupt the delicate balance of the deep-sea ecosystem. There simply isn't a lot of data on the Barreleye fish, though. It is a rare fish that lives far from the surface of the ocean in a place that is hard to study. What we do know about it, though, shows us that there is still so much to discover about our planet's oceans. We don't know exactly how long it takes for the Barreleye to reach sexual maturity. Please let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe for new episodes every week. Thanks for coming along on this journey through time. I'll see you later. But because it's a deep sea fish, its lifespan is probably around 5 to 10 years. Hi, and welcome to Paleologic. Today we're talking about the Barreleye fish, the bizarre alien fish with a see-through head. The mesopelagic zone is a tricky place to study because it is deep enough that traditional nets used by fisheries coined, yet it's shallow enough that scuba divers can explore it. All 4 species have the same basic body shape, small mouths and large eyes. The Barreleye fish is the only species in its genus that has a transparent head. The Barreleye fish is not the only see-through fish. There's also the glass octopus, glass squid, and many more. Most of what we know about the Barreleye fish comes from remotely operated vehicles or ROV, vehicles equipped with cameras that can be lowered to the ocean floor without a human crew on board. This bizarre fish is a small one. It's only about 15 centimeters long and lives far below the surface of the Pacific Ocean. The Barreleye fish is found at depths of 600 to 800 meters off the coast of California and in the Bering Sea. At these depths, sunlight is very faint, and most of the ocean's life is adapted to hunting prey using senses other than vision, such as hearing or touch. The Barreleye fish is a mesopelagic fish, which means it lives in the mesopelagic zone, or the twilight zone of the ocean. The Barreleye fish is just one of 4 fish species in the genus. Like many other deep-sea creatures, the Barreleye fish reproduces by releasing eggs and sperm into the water. Even though it has large eyes, the Barreleye fish doesn't see well. The Barreleye fish is not currently listed as endangered, but it could be vulnerable to deep-sea, which is when huge nets are dragged along the bottom of the ocean to scoop up fish. So, what should we talk about next?